Hi, to connect to Wi-Fi on your Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly go into phone settings and then choose Wi-Fi section. First things first, we need to enable Wi-Fi by tapping on the switcher, and now you'll see the list of available networks from which you need to choose your network. This is mine. I'm gonna tap it to select, and now we need to enter its password. So let me just do it quickly and get back to you. Now, to make your password visible, you would need to simply tap this eye icon, and when it's blue, then you'll be able to see the password you entered, and when it's gray, it would be disabled. And all is left is to tap this connect button. And now we are connected because your network lights up blue now, and you can tap this arrow, enable to connect automatically. Here, check some settings. And after that, you can also forget this network if you want to disconnect. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.